Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create, combine, and stack multiple discounts on Shopify. Really cool, really powerful. It's all about multiple or stacked codes inside of your Shopify checkout and how to do it the right way, because we know that utilizing discounts and promo codes is a really great marketing strategy. There's pretty much no doubt about that. You need to be utilizing discounts. It helps turn potential customers into satisfied, happy, paying customers. I mean, it's a great way to boost your conversion rate and get those people over the finish line, right? Get people who are thinking about it. Maybe they're price conscious. You get them a little incentive to finish checkout with that coupon code or that discount code. And a really popular strategy is to boost conversion rate by setting up your store to allow customers to combine or to stack multiple discounts at the same time right inside of your Shopify checkout. This is really cool, but there are some pain points that you might run into because there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the app that I use, and the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to learn Shopify liquid code. You don't need to do JavaScript or anything like that. But really, most importantly, the app must allow customers to stack together any type of discount without limitation, and also add on advanced stacking logic. For example, you could have combinations, you could have reductions, you could have first match or best match. All depends on kind of what they enter and having logic to determine all that. And it's really easy to do this with Stack Discounts Ninja. This is what I highly recommend. It's a Shopify app. I'm going to show you it. You see the link directly below this video. We'll go over the shoulder and I'll show you more. This is the Stack Discounts Ninja app, and you see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. It's going to allow you to combine and stack multiple discounts, and you'll be able to really create some multi-discount campaigns for some cool ideas, promotions, sales, etc. You can get very custom with this. And I'm going to go over the shoulder and show you exactly how this works. You'll be able to combine multiple discounts, same or different type, product, order, shipping. There's really no limits at all, and it's incredibly powerful. You can create campaigns. I'll walk you through exactly how to do this. Perfect for something like Black Friday for sure. You'll want to be using this one. And bulk campaign codes as well. You can generate multiple unique codes, all powered by the same logic. So it's going to save you tons and tons of time. You see in this example over here on the screen, generating 450 codes in just a few clicks. So really powerful. Different campaign types as well. Combination, for example, only the highest discount is applied, right? That just makes sense for the customer. Reduction, campaign type, all discounts are applied sequentially, one after the other on the discounted price. So really up to you in terms of how you want to do these multiple discounts. And it allows you to really always have the customer feeling happy. You're either going to give them the best discount or you're going to give them basically a sequential discount. So really great for, again, creating those happy customers, those paying happy customers that are going to help build your revenue, your customer base, of course, and boost your sales. This is a big feature, customer eligibility, and this works on both automatic and code campaigns. This is actually huge, right? Shopify's native automatic discounts, they don't support this type of customer eligibility criteria. But when you use this app, you're going to get all different types based on specific customer segments. It could be, all customers. It could be a segment that you create. It could be based on tags. It could be specific customers individually. Really powerful, and you have full control. Sale price handling, otherwise known as compare at price, right? This is another huge aspect of this app because a lot of people want to have products with their compare at price and showcase that not only for marketing, but for use in terms of having the option to either exclude such products from discounts or apply discounts based on the compare at price. Again, Stack Discounts Ninja giving you tons of flexibility. There's volume discounts as well. You can apply discounts based on quantity or total amount, basically the idea of buy more, save more. And of course, as a store owner, we love that. Then you have fixed price discount option, right? This is a really strong selling point for sure. Huge for merchants because you get to set a final price after the discount, right? So you can control exactly what the final price is going to be. You still offer a discount, right? And then the system is going to automatically calculate and apply the necessary discount to reach that price. Let's say, for example, you want to make the product $50, right? And, automatically going to discount, in this case, $20. Or if the product is $75, they'd automatically discount $25 to get to that price. So another really unique feature in here, and it really sets itself apart, this app, because there's so many features that you just don't see when it comes to discounts and promo codes. So we're going to get started and follow along with me. You see the link below this video. All you need to do is press the install button. This will bring you right back into your Shopify store where you're simply going to press install to finish the installation. No code or anything like that needed. Now we have Stack Discounts Ninja set up and we're going to go into the dashboard. We'll approve this. We get a 7-day trial over here, so we're not going to have to pay anything to get this set up. Then we'll have our 30-day billing set up automatically through Shopify, and we're loaded here into our dashboard. And there's a bunch of different things over here. You could reach out to support and get the documentation and read the FAQs, of course, but I'm going to show you everything that you need to get this going. And you see we have a little getting started over here. Of course, our app right now is disabled, right? We just installed it. We need to go ahead and enable it. Really, really easy to do that. All we're going to do is go into our app section of our theme settings. We can go to it over here in Online Store and then Theme Editor, or we could just come right over here, click Enable. It's going to bring us into our theme editor, where we're going to simply just turn on. You see the toggle for it on the left-hand side. This is on, this is off, okay? So we want to have it on, and we want to make sure that we press save, okay? Very easy, right? No code or anything like that required, right? Really, really easy. We'll recheck the state. It says now that it's enabled, okay? Next, what we want to do is create our first campaign. And then we'll be able to actually view it on store and, you know, see all the different kind of look and feel of it. And it's really, really cool because we could set a widget and all that great stuff, customize the colors, right, themes. But really the first thing that you want to do is jump into the campaigns. So we'll click create right over here. And we're going to go, I'll just call this just in sale example. And this is just a description internally, so you don't need to worry about this unless you want to describe it. Method here, automatic, campaign code, or bulk campaign codes, right? Automatic will be automatically visible and functional for customers. It's going to be basically just live for everyone. Campaign code is only going to be people who add the code. So maybe you want to do something like email marketing and you give out a code, or maybe you want to have something where your best customers get a specific code, or maybe you want to bulk generate codes, right? All different ways to do it over here. And of course, we could just put in the specific code. I'll put Justin VIP. Could do bulk generate codes over here as well, and we'll create the same functionality, just obviously in multiple codes. So we're going to come over here and we could do combination, reduction, first match, best match, right? It's really up to us in terms of how we want to set this up. Remember, combination, reduction, those are going to be basically multiple discounts. And we can see over here, all discounts will automatically be applied. Discounts will be applied in specific order. First match will be discounts will be evaluated, and basically the first eligible one will be applied. Everything else will be ignored. Right? Best match is that one I described earlier. Kind of cool. Finds the best one. Right? Maximum value. And I like going with that one. Right? They could enter as many codes as they want. It's going to make sure that it selects the best one. If you want them to be able to enter multiple codes and have them stack like 10% off and then 10% off, right? We could have something like this, where it'd be 10% off and then calculates that number and then 10% off the next one, or we could do a combination where they're all applied. Right? A lot of flexibility here. In this case, I'm going to go with best match. Now we have customer eligibility. This is super cool. I have different segments in my store, for example, VIPs or people who have spent over $1,000 or new customers, right? I could even go and find specific customers if I wanted. For this example, I'm going to do all customers. But remember, we have customer eligibility here to really drill down and create a campaign that is only for, literally, if we want to go and search out individual customers or individual customer tags or individual customer segments, all able to be targeted with Stack Discounts Ninja. Now, just like any other coupon, we could have limitations in terms of limit number of uses. Total, we could say only the first, 100 uses this will work for. Right, I'm going to leave this off. We could also limit one per customer. I'm going to check that on. We could have start and end dates if we wanted. If we don't set an end date, then of course it's just going to run until you turn it off. So now we have the discount section, and this is where, of course, we could add one or multiple discounts. So I'll come over here inside of discounts, and we could do a volume discount. We could do amount off discount. For example, we could say 10% off. Set this 10%. Okay, we could have it apply to all products. We could set minimums, right? These are your typical coupon things, right? We could have minimum quantity items. We could have minimum quantity purchased. Let's say we wanted them to spend at least $10 for this to activate. We could apply that. Whoops. I'm going to go ahead and search my products. I forgot to go this way and select, you know what? Actually, I'll do it this way. We can go just specific collections, and I will do all collections. So we have that, and now we'll apply that. So we could do individual products, or we could do individual collections. Now I'm going to do another one. And we did amount off products. I will do a shipping discount. How about, and remember, we could stack different types as well, right? It doesn't have to all just be percentage off, right? So percentage set to 100% provides free shipping, right? This is going to discount the shipping 100%, right? It could be for any type of purchase. Typically, you're just going to have one-time purchase unless you have subscription in your store. You could limit this to countries, right? Say, well, it's just simply too expensive to ship elsewhere, so I'm just going to do this for USA only. Okay. And that's really just, again, maybe you have ability to ship cheaply internationally, then you could certainly go to all countries, but you have the ability to set it up right here. We could exclude certain shipping rates to be out of here. Let's say you sell something super heavy and it costs you $300 to ship. You might not want to do that in here, right? So you could have limitations in there. That doesn't apply to my store here, so I'm going to do that. Must buy any items from, and again, we could have specific collections, specific products. I'm just going to do entire store here, and in this case, we'll set that same $10 minimum, and we'll apply. Feel free to add more discounts as well. Remember, there's also importance in terms of how the discounts are stacked here if you're doing different combination types. So I'm good with these two, but again, feel free to add more. We're going to press save here, and this is going to save our first campaign here with Stack Discounts Ninja. All right, I'm going to show you this in action. We'll go and just add a product into the cart. So I'll go add this hoodie, and I'll add a couple of these into the cart. So there we go, and have our product here, go into checkout, and now I'm going to show you this in action, right? It's going to work just like any other discount code right in the Shopify discount checkout area. So remember, we did Justin VIP, okay, $150. And remember, the setup is going to be, it's going to look for the different types of coupons, going to apply the best one. We have free shipping or we have 10% off. So I'm going to apply it. What is it doing? It's finding that 10% off, right? That's better than the shipping. I think the shipping is only $5, right? So we have 150 minus 15, right? That's that 10% off discount automatically applied, right? And now we're good to go, just like, any other checkout. Right? Go ahead and enter our information, check out, pay, blah, blah, blah. The discount is now ready to go. We don't have to do anything. It's so seamless here. It's just like entering in a code. But again, we have the ability in this campaign to give them either free shipping or 10% off. And this is super powerful. Think about the flexibility that customers get. And you could do this, you'd imagine that these could be individual codes that they would have as well, entering in multiple codes and finding the best possible discount. Or maybe in your case, you want to give them the ability to do both. We can come back over here into our campaign over here. And remember, we had different types, right? We could do combination as well. All right, so we could have a combination style discount as well. Okay, so I updated that to have the combination, and now when I come back over here, right, it's going to get free shipping, and it's going to get the 15% off. There you go. You see the free shipping right here, Justin VIP with the discount, right? So that was because I changed this back over here to combination. So those are the different types in there, and tons of flexibility. Saves you money on the shipping, saves you money on the 10% off, right? And, feel free to go crazy and create more discounts if you want. You could really give your customers some amazing deals with the combination. But typically we'll use something like first match, best match, combination if you're feeling extra generous over there. You could always deactivate the coupon campaign over here as well. Tons of other settings over here like themes, and you see different widgets you could have and different specific themes for holidays, and all your settings right in here. You got analytics as well to start to see what's going on with your different campaigns. Really great app. You're really going to be mostly working in analytics and campaigns here. Just building cool campaigns, get creative with those discount codes, get creative with how you show them in your marketing. And that was Stack Discounts Ninja. I think this is a must-have in your store, and you see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, get this in your store. Watch this video a couple times if you have to. Follow along with that step-by-step creation. And I really hope this helps you make some money. I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.